keep up. So I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words.
If you had fun, say hell yeah. If you had a hell of a motherfucking time, say fuck yeah. As you can see, I did too. And ladies and gentlemen, before I get out this motherfucker, I must let you know one more time, I appreciate every single one of you motherfuckers that came out tonight. Thank you. Also, I must ask you to please make some noise for everyone you've seen on this stage tonight, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the America's Most Wanted Tour. Before I get out of here, I must let you know 3 important things about myself. Number 1 is I believe in God. Number 2 is I ain't shit without you. And what's number 3?
I ain't shit without you.
I love every single one of y'all, folks. Thank you.